Good morning, dear students. Last class we completed till the question number 4. Now we are going to see the question number 5. Listen to me. Question number 5. Pick out the obtuse angles. Pick out the obtuse angles. Obtuse angles means, okay, we have more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree. Okay. So between 90 and 180. Between 90 and 180 are called obtuse angles. Okay. We are going to see the 5 options and pick out the obtuse angle. First one, listen to me. 101. It's between 90 and 180 degree. Here, what angle it is? 90 degree. Yes or no? It's perpendicular. So 90 degree. Here, 129 degree. 38 degree, 89 degree. Okay, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is obtuse angle. So 101 and 129 is obtuse angle. So answer option 1 and option 3 are obtuse angles. Clear? Next question. Name the angles in all the possible ways. Name the angles in all the possible ways. Okay, we have how many naming angles? We have 3 ways. Okay, how many ways? 3 ways. Okay, main, where is an angle formed? First find out. Okay, here only angle formed. Yes or no? Can you tell here is an angle formed? No, it is ray. Okay, when 2 rays meet at the same point, okay, there will be an angle formed. Okay, so here angle formed. So the main letter is M. Okay, main letter is M. So we know the angle symbol. It is our angle symbol. Yes or no? Okay, this is our angle symbol like L. Okay, so now the angle symbol, first letter M. Angle M. Okay, you can tell. Okay, angle M. 1 letter way. Then you can go for the 3 letters. Okay, L, M, N. You cannot write L, N, M because the M where an angle formed, that should be a middle letter, second letter. Okay, you can write L, M, N or else N, M, L. Okay, this should be a second letter. So now angle symbol, angle L, M, N. Okay, this is one of the way. Other way I said to you N, M, L. Angle N, M, L. Okay, totally how many ways we have? 3 ways. Once again, angle M. Okay, where an angle form, that letter. Okay, 1 letter and 3 letter way. We don't have for 2 letter ways. Okay, you can write it as 1 letter or as 3 letter. When you write as 3 letter, that where an angle form, that should be as a middle one. Okay, clear? Likewise, only same. Okay, you can go directly. Where an angle form? Q. Angle Q. Next, angle RQP. Next, angle PQR. See here, middle letter is Q. So your answer is correct. Likewise, for option 3 also. Okay, where an angle form? N. Angle N. Next, MNO. Angle MNO. Next, angle ONM. ONM. Okay, likewise only for this also. Where an angle form? A. Angle A. Next, angle SAT. Next, angle TAS. That's all. Okay, naming angle, we have 3 ways. Very easy. Where an angle form, find out and write. Okay, we have 1 letter name and 3 letter. Next, question number 7. Say true or false. Say true or false. First option, listen to me. 20 and 70 are complementary. 20 and 70 are complementary. Complementary means okay, complementary angle is 90 degree. Yes or no? Complementary angle is 90 degree. Sorry. Okay, complementary angle is 90 degree. Supplementary angle is 180 degree. Okay, this we learned in the last class. Okay, complementary angle is 90 degree, supplementary angle is 180 degree. When you add two angles, okay, if the sum is 90, that is complementary. When you go for two angles, if you add that angle, okay, if you get 180, that is supplementary. So here the two angles are given in the first option. Listen to me, 20 and 70. They said these two are complementary. Okay, how will you find out? Add 20 plus 70 is 90. 90 degree is complementary. So the given is true. Option 1 is true. Likewise, the next one, 88 and 12 degree. Okay, 88 degree and 12 degree are complementary is given. Add 88 plus 12. 88 plus 12 is 100. 100 is complementary? No, 90 only. So the given statement is false. Next, option 3. Option 3, 80 and 180 are supplementary is given. 80 and 180. Add 80 and 180 is 260. 260 is supplementary? No, 180 only. So the given is false. Option 4. Option 4 is 0 and 180 are supplementary. 0 plus 180. 0 plus 180 is 180. 180 is supplementary. So the given statement is true. So listen, only two concepts you have to remember. Okay, when you add two angles, if you get 90 degree, that is complementary. Okay, when you add two angles, if you get 180 degree, that is supplementary. Okay, complementary means 90, supplementary means 180. Don't forget this. Okay, we can go for the question number 8 now. Question number 8, draw and label each of the angles. Okay, what symbol it is? Angle. Okay, angle NAS equal to 90 degree. So the angle should be formed for letter A. Okay, angle should be formed for letter A. Don't forget this. Now, everyone take your scale and protractor. Okay, this is your protractor. This is your scale. Okay, scale you know. Okay, now we are going to use your protractor. How to use? Listen to me. Okay, here the given is angle NAS equal to 90 degree. Angle NAS equal to 90 degree. So now, when you go for drawing an angle, okay, what will you do? Okay, when two rays meet at one point, okay, just it's angle, yes or no? When two rays meet at one point, there will be angle formed. Okay, this is okay our angle. Okay, angle definition, yes or no? So now we are going to form an angle with 90 degree. Okay, using the name 3-letter NAS. NAS. First, what will you do? We are going to draw a ray with this AS, second letter and third letter. So here, give name as AS. Okay, draw a ray. First step is draw a ray. Very important. Listen to me. It's 10-mark question. Okay, important 10-mark. We have steps of construction also for this. Listen to me. Don't lose in this. Okay, angle NAS equal to 90 degree. First draw a ray. The name, second letter and third letter. AS. Okay, next. Take your protractor. Listen to me. In your protractor, we have like this. Listen. Okay, we have a protractor like semicircle. Yes or no? It's a semicircle. We have the center point. Okay, it will be bold like this. Yes or no? This is center, and one scale will be there. Line first, then scale, Okay, we have inner scale and outer scale. Okay, inner and outer scale will be there. Here if you have, that is inner, it's outer scale. Okay, inner, outer, this is our basic scale. Base scale. Okay, base means from 0 it will start. Okay, base scale, center, inner and outer, 2 measurement will be there. Okay, like this only we have a protractor. Okay, now we are going to use a protractor, keep it properly. Okay, we must have the measurement, then only you can go for it. Okay, listen to me now, take it out. This center, listen to me, here I have center, I am going to fix at a point A. I fixed exactly. See here, this line, the ray is not visible. Like that you have to fix it properly. I fixed one. Now the angle is 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree. So you have confusion. We have 2 measurement, in which I should measure. Okay, in this both also we have 90 degree like this, so no problem. When you go for the other measurement, other degree, so always go from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Just mark a point. Okay, dot. Listen to me, fix at your center A. I placed a protractor. Protractor, place it properly, don't place like this will not, don't do it. Place it properly. After fixing from 0, you cannot go from 180, always we can go from the 0 measurement, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now draw a ray N, okay, AN. So because the N letter is there, so AN. Clear everyone? Now write as 90 degree. Okay. Now the angle NAS equal to 90 degree. Check that NAS 90 degree we measured. Okay, very easy. So now we can go for the construction. What we have done only we are going to write. First step is draw a ray. Okay, draw a ray AS. Okay, this is our first step. Second step, at A, place the protractor and mark an angle of 90 degree. Mark an angle 90 degree. Okay, we measured an angle. Then draw a ray AN. Okay, this side we have drawn a ray AN. Now angle NAS equal to 90 degree. Okay, only 3 steps. Okay. For this diagram 7 marks, for the construction 3 marks, totally 10 marks, very easy. Likewise only we are going to see remaining 3 options. Remaining 3 options, construction I will send through the WhatsApp. Okay, you can try by your own also. Okay, just the letters will be changed, that's all. Okay, letters and the angle will be changed, other things are same, 3 points only. Okay, now we can go for the next option. Now option 2, angle BIG 35 degree. Okay, 35 degree is acute angle. Okay, first option we saw 90 degree, that is right angle, it is acute angle. Now as usual, first draw a ray. For your convenience, you can draw lengthiest one or shortest one. So now giving name. So how will you give the name? Leave the B, second letter and third letter. Second letter should be the first one, IG. Okay, give a name IG. The angle is 35 degree. Now take your protractor. This is your protractor. I told before even. Okay, center is very important. So now I am going to place the protractor at I. So now I fixed properly. Don't fix like this. Fix it properly. Center and a point. Okay, now angle is 35 degree from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, listen. 30 is like this. Okay, 1. Okay, 40 will be like this. Yes or no? Okay, this is 30, 40. So 35 we are going to do. So 35 is the middle one. Okay. Likewise here listen. 35 I mark. Okay, just a point. Afterwards remove it. Take your scale. Draw a ray. Join the eye properly. This point should be joined properly. Okay, IB. Okay, IB, we have drawn a ray. Here only angle form. Angle is 35 degree. Okay, clear? For this construction, I will send through the WhatsApp. You can try by your own also. Likewise, only next option, angle SMC, 145 degree. Draw a ray. So name, listen, leave the S, MC. MC. Okay, next, same method, fix your protractor properly. I fixed. Angle is 145 degree. I set you to start from 0. Okay, don't see others. Start from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So between only 145, see that properly and mark it. Between 140 and 150, we have 145, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. Okay, I marked. After marking, just to take it out, use a scale. See these 2 points properly. Don't join like this and all. Fix your scale properly. I fixed. That's M is there. What letter? Yes, here. So yes, here angle will be formed. Angle is 145 degree. Okay, now angle SMC 145 degree we have drawn. For this also construction I will send through the WhatsApp. Next option 4, angle ABC 180 degree. Same method, draw a ray, point, just to one dot, don't go for the, don't put the whole. ABC 180 degree, leave that A, second letter and third letter should be written first, BC. Okay, BC 180. Fix your protractor properly. So I fixed properly. Angle is 180 degree. Don't go here, 180 is there. I told you to start from 0. See that 0, 90, 100, 140, 180 is here. 180 we know that it is straight angle. Yes or no? 180 degree is straight angle. If you draw straight line, that is 180 degree. Okay, we know that. Okay, since they ask us to use a protractor, we used a protractor and a measure. Now join this dot. See that it is straight line. Yes or no? That's why 180 degree is straight angle. It is straight line. Here point B, A. Now write as 180 degree. Okay, so angle ABC is 180 degree. Okay, clear everyone? Straight angle, straight line. It has to be straight. Okay, this is over. 10 mark is over. Only 4 option. Okay, steps of construction I will send through the WhatsApp. You can write by your own also. Now we are going for the question number 9. Question number 9, listen to me. Identify the types of angle. Types of angle. Okay, we learn acute angle, obtuse angle, okay, right angle, straight angle, zero angle, complete angle. Okay, which angle it is we are going to find out. Okay, observing the time. Okay, so do you all know to see the time? I hope you all know. Okay, now listen, this is our clock. Okay, listen to me. This is hour and this is minute hand. Okay, so hour hand and minute hand only we used to see. We won't see the second hand accurate time. Okay, we used to go for the hour and minute. Okay, now the smallest one is hour hand. This is only minute hand, the lengthiest one. Okay, now listen to me. This is 3 after 4. Okay, 4. Now listen, the 4, then it is there for the 9. So what is the time now? 4:45. Okay, 3:45. Okay, it's not nearest to 4. The time is 3:45. Okay, time is 3:45. So the angle will be formed here. Yes or no? Okay, there we won't mention the angle because we will see like this only. 3:45 is time. So the angle is acute or obtuse. Okay, you can see that. Okay, the angle is like this. Yes or no? The angle is like this. Okay, so it's not an acute angle. It is obtuse angle. Yes or no? It is obtuse angle. Okay, it is an obtuse angle. Next, go for the option 2. Okay, option 2. Listen to me. The minute hand and the hour hand is same for the 12. Okay, so the angle will be formed or not? No, because okay, here both are in the same direction. The angle is 0. So 0 angle. Okay, 0 angle. Next, go for the option 3. Okay, we have the time. Time is, what is the time? 6 o'clock. Okay, here what is the time? 12 o'clock. Here time is 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock, listen to me. Okay, we'll go for like this, 6 o'clock, or else can go like this also. Okay, 6 o'clock, we'll see like this, sorry. Okay, 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock, okay, it is straight. Yes or no? It is straight means what angle? Now only we learn. Straight means straight angle. Okay, next option 4, listen to me. See the time, hour hand and minute hand. It is near 12. It is for 1, 2. Minute hand 10. Yes or no? 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So 12, 10 is time. Yes or no? 12, 10. So now here only angle formed. Yes or no? You cannot write the angle here because 12, 10 means after the minute hand will be moving like this. Okay, it's clockwise direction. Like this only it will move. Okay, it will not move like this, anti-clockwise. Okay, clockwise, okay, it will move from the right to left, right to left. It is your right side, right to left only will move. So here only you have to measure an angle. Don't measure it here, that is wrong. So the angle is like this. Okay, it is acute angle. Less than 90 degree means acute angle. Next option 5, listen to me. It is, what is the time? What is the time? It is hour and minute hand. Okay, 9 o'clock is time. Okay, 9 o'clock. Okay, the angle is like this. What is this? Perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. Right angle. 90 degree means right angle. Okay, now we identified the angle. Okay, listen to me once again. Okay, here see the time and go for it. Don't go for measuring this. Why we didn't go? Because time is 3:45. 3:45, here only angle will be formed. Okay, so the angle will be moved to right to left. Okay, not left to right. So right side to left side only we will measure. Okay, don't measure from the left to right. This is your right side. Okay, right to left you have to measure an angle. Okay, So now right to left angle is obtuse. Likewise here we have the same direction, so the angle will be 0. Okay, when do you have in the rest? Okay, it is a rest, it is in rest. Okay, so it is 0 angle. Okay, now it is straight angle, it's your right side. Okay, right to left only you have to go. Okay, always right to left side you move. Likewise here also right side to left side. Okay, this is straight angle. Okay, it is acute angle, it is right angle. Okay, listen, right side to left side. Okay, clear? Next, find the complementary angle of. Complementary means we know that it is 90 degree. Complementary means 90 degree. When you add two angles, okay, if you get 90 degree, that is complementary. Okay, so now the one angle is given as 30 degree. Okay, one angle is given as 30 degree. We are going to find the other angle. We know that total is sum of the two angles is 90 degree means complementary. It is given as complementary only. Okay, so now we are going to find the other angle. So one angle is 30 degree. You subtract the 90 minus 30 degree, you can find out the other angle is 60 degree. Okay, clear? So total is 90 degree. Okay, we know that if we add sum of the two angle is 90 degree, one angle is 30 degree, other angle we should find out. So subtract from the total. Okay, 90 minus 30 is 60. Very easy. Okay, likewise we can go for the next one. Total is 90. So subtract from the total 90 minus 26 degree. Subtract properly 90, 26. You will have the confusion always when you go for the from 0 to 6. So many used to write as 6. Okay, it is wrong. When you don't have anything, how you will give 6? Okay, you don't have money at all. How will you give the 6? You will borrow and you give. Yes or no? So you must borrow from here. 8, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. Answer is 64 degree. Okay, this is degree symbol. Okay, I forgot to tell, it is degree symbol. Okay, like 0, it will be written up of the number. Don't write below of the number, up of the number. Okay, next option. Option 3, 85 degree. Okay, option 3, 85 degree. 90 minus 85. 90 minus 85 is 5 degree. 90 minus 85 is 5 degree. Then option 4, 0 degree. Option 4, 0 degree. Since its complementary is given, so we can go directly. 90 minus 0 degree is 90. Next option 5, 90 degree. Option 5, 90 degree. Complementary angle is 90. So subtract with the 90 minus 90, 0 degree. Okay, this is easy way to go for it. Complementary 90, we know that. What is given, subtracted. Okay, that is enough. Next, question number 11. Find the supplementary. Okay, supplementary is what angle? 180 degree. Supplementary is 180 degree. So given supplementary is given. Okay, one angle is given, other angle only we are going to find out. So now option 1, 70 degree. So option 1 is 70 degree. Okay, so now total is 180. So 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. 110 degree. So since supplementary, here 180. Here complementary means 90. Next option 2, 35 degree. 35 degree. Since supplementary, 180 minus 35 degree. Okay, when you go for the 0 ends, okay, if you feel difficult, go for the rough column and subtract, borrow 7, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 1. 145 degree. Next option 3. Same method, 165 degree. Okay, supplementary is 180. So 180 minus 165 degree. 180, 165, subtract, borrow here, 7, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 6, 1, 50 degree. Next option 4, 90 degree. Total is 180. 180 degree minus 90 degree. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Next option 5, 0 degree. Option 5 is 0 degree. Same method. 180 degree minus 0 degree is 180. We know that 180 minus 0 is 180. Very easy. Listen to me. Supplementary means 180. Okay, what is given? Subtract with 180. Complementary means 90. Okay, what is given? Subtract with 90. That's all. Okay, next. Question number 12. Now question number 12, we are going to see, find the supplementary and complementary angles. Find the supplementary and complementary angles. We are going to observe the diagram and going to find out either it's supplementary or complementary. Supplementary means what is the angle? 180 degree. So the straight angle will be there. Complementary means 90 degree. Okay. So this we must know. Supplementary 180 degree straight angle. Complementary 90 degree right angle. Okay. So this is our right angle, it is our straight angle. Okay. Observing the picture, we are going to find out the like same model only which we learned in the question number 10 and 11. Okay. Here the pictures are given, there the number angles are given. Okay. Now listen, from the diagram you are going to find out it is straight angle. Okay. It is a straight angle, so supplementary. Okay, if you add two angles, you will get 180 degree. See here, this is 25 degree. This is unknown. So the unknown we can consider as x. Okay, just I am considering as x. So if you add two angles, you will get 180 degree. So x plus 25 degree equal to supplementary. It is so 180 degree. Okay, it is straight angle. So it is supplementary. Okay. Now we are going to find the x, 180, this plus 25 will come this side as minus 25. So x equal to 180 minus 25. Okay, go for the subtraction. 7, 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 155 degree. The degree symbol is important, so you have to put the degree. So don't forget this. Above the number, okay, above the number like 0. So now this one, listen to me, here we have right angle, okay, right angle means complementary, right angle means complementary, it has 90 degree. So here one angle is 30 degree, other angle we don't know. So other angle which is not known, you can keep it as any letter, just I am writing as A. Okay, it's for your convenient. Okay, or else we can go directly also. I told you to follow the direct method, that is easy one. Okay, if you find out it is complementary, go for the 90 minus 30 is 60. That is very easy way. Okay, now A plus 30 degree, since complementary 90 degree, A, this plus 30 will go this side as minus 30. 90 minus 30 is 60. So A is 60 degree. Okay, this we consider as A. So this one is 60 degree. Okay, clear? Likewise for this also. Okay, it is 67 degree. Here we don't know. Okay, what an angle we don't know. So you can consider other letter Y. So unknown one we just measured as Y. You can see that here this angle is straight line. It is straight, yes or no? Straight line means supplementary. Okay, straight line means supplementary. So y plus 67 degree equal to 180 degree. This plus 67 will go that side as minus 180 minus 67 degree. Go for the subtraction, 180 minus 67, Now borrow 10 minus 7 3, 7 minus 6 1, here 1. 113 degree, y equal to 113 degree. The y is unknown. Okay, you can go for any letter. Okay, you can go for easy method also, direct method also. You can go 180 minus 67. That is also correct. Here, what angle? Right angle. Right angle means complementary 90 degree. So go for this one is 46. This one we don't know. Consider as Z. Okay, for our convenient only we are going this for assuming the letter Z plus 46 degree equal to 90 degree. Z equal to 90 degree. This plus 46 will come this side as minus 46. Now go for the subtraction. 90 minus 46. Okay, here borrow 8, 10, 10 minus 6, 4, 8 minus 4, 4. So Z equal to 44 degree. Okay, clear everyone? So find out either it's complementary and supplementary. If you have the straight line, it is supplementary. If you have the like right angle, that is 90 degree. Clear? Next, objective type question. Question number 13. Listen to me. In this figure, which is not the correct way of naming an angle? Okay, this is our diagram. From this, which is not correct? The 4 option, which is not correct, we are going to find out. Where an angle formed? Okay, where an angle formed, my dear? So here, sorry, I have given the name wrongly. Y is that? This is only X. Okay, so now where an angle formed? Y. Angle Y. So angle Y, it is correct. Then angle ZXY, it is correct or not? We are going to find out. ZXY. The letters are there. I told you to follow where an angle formed. That letter must be middle. Here only angle formed Y. The Y must be in the middle, but it is not in the middle. So this is only not correct. Yes or no? Not correct. So the answer is option B, angle ZXY. Next question, listen to me. In this figure, angle AY is equal to 45 degree. AY is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So now we are going to find out if your point, the A is shifted to B. Okay, the point A is shifted to B along the ray. Then the measure of angle BYZ. See here, if you write angle BYZ also, this angle is same. If you go for the XYZ also, the angle is same. Angle means here the 45 degree is same. Okay, it's not going to be changed. You can give your name AYZ, BYZ, both are correct. Angle will not be changed. The answer is same 45 degree only. Answer is option B. Option B. Can you all understand what I said? You can give the name AYZ same, BYZ same, XYZ same. Why it is same? The space we are not changing anything. Just we are changing the letter name only. Okay, clear? AYZ, okay, correct. BYZ, correct. XYZ, correct. The angle will not be changed. So that only here 45 degree means here also 45 degree. Okay, clear everyone? This exercise is over. Okay, now listen to me. Points and lines. We are going to see points and lines. Exercise 4.2 is over. Before going to exercise 4.3, okay, we will know the some points. Okay, from this only we are going to see. So now listen. First point means you know that this is point, one dot. Yes or no? A line we know that, okay, no endpoints, it is called line. Now listen to me, the important points about points and lines. When 3 points lie on your line, they are said to be collinear. Okay, when 3 points, okay, now it is line. When you have 3 points on your line, okay, this is called collinear. What is that? Collinear. Next, when 2 lines meet each other at 90 degree, they are called perpendicular lines. We learned perpendicular and intersecting lines. Listen, okay, when two lines meet at a point, it is intersecting lines. It is intersecting line. When you have with 90 degree, when you have with 90 degree, okay, that is perpendicular line. It is perpendicular line. Listen, when you have 90 degree, okay, if you have 90 degree, that is perpendicular line. Okay, now next listen to me. Third point, when three or more lines pass through the same point, they are said to be concurrent. What is that? Concurrent. That point is called point of concurrency. Listen to me now. When three or more lines is given, so the three lines go through this point. Yes or no? When three lines go through this point is called concurrency. Okay, these three lines, okay, these three lines, it's called as concurrent. What is that? Concurrent. Okay, this point is called concurrency. Okay, this point is called concurrency. These three lines go through one point, so we can tell this as concurrent. Okay, when you have two lines, this is called perpendicular lines because it has 90 degree. Okay, two lines go through one point. Okay, when you have one line and 3 points. Okay, if you have 3 points, this is called collinears. Okay, so totally 3 points we saw that. Now listen to me. The first important point is when 3 points lie on a line, they are said to be collinear. Okay, only 3 points. If you have 4 points, it's not a collinear. When two lines meet each other at 90 degree, they are called perpendicular lines. When 3 or more lines pass through the same point, they are said to be concurrent. That point is called point of concurrency. Okay, next, now we are going to see exercise 4.3 based on these 3 points only. Listen to me. AOB. Observe the figure AOB. Okay, AOB. Consider this is one of the line. How many points we have? 3 points on your line. 3 points on your line. So 3 points means what I said? It is collinear. Write the spelling properly. Collinear. Okay, next AOC. AOC. It is one line. No, it is not a line. Okay, it's 2 lines. Yes or no? So AOC are not collinear. Okay, next ABC. 3 points are given. Either it's collinear or not. We are going to find out ABC. Okay, ABC. It is collinear. No, it's like this ABC. It's not even line. Here it's line, it's curve. So it cannot be set as a collinear. So not collinear. Next, option 4. Dash is the point of concurrency. Point of concurrency means what did I say? Okay, when through one point, okay, 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines. Okay, 3 lines are going. So yes or no? Through one point, if you go 3 lines, that point is called point of concurrency. So the O is the point of concurrency because here 1 line, here second line, 3 line. Okay. Next, question number 2. Draw any line. Any line. Okay. So I am drawing the line like this. Yes or no? Because it's given any line. Draw any line and mark any 3 points that are collinear. So your wish to mark any point A, B, C. 3 points if you draw, that is collinear. I have drawn. That's all. Next, draw any line and mark any 4 points that are not collinear. Draw any line. If you mark 4 points, you know that is not a collinear. So now I am going to mark 4 points P, Q, R, S. So it is not a collinear. Next, option 4, draw any 3 lines. Okay, any 3 lines you have to draw to have point of concurrency. Concurrency. So 3 lines through one point you have to draw, because that time only you will have a point of concurrency. So this point O, this line L1, L2, L3, just name I have given, it is not must to give. Okay. So 3 lines you draw, the one common point must be there. Okay. That common point is O. So the O is the point of concurrency. Clear? Very easy. Draw any 3 lines. Here also any 3 lines, but that are not concurrent. Okay, it should not be concurrent. That means, okay, we should not have the common point like this. Find the number of points of intersection. So now I can draw like anything, 3 lines. So I have drawn like this. Okay, since intersection means cutting, yes or no. So the line, I cut the line. Okay, yes or no, every line is cut. Yes or no, my dear? So now question is, draw any 3 lines. I have drawn. It should not be concurrent. It's not concurrent. Find the number of point of intersection. Where are the points are intersecting? Find out. Here it's cutting. Here. Here. So totally how many? How many intersections are there? 3. 3 cuts. Okay. Here, here, here. So 3 point of intersection. You can ask me, why can't you draw like this? If I draw like this, there will not be intersection. Yes or no? We cannot, this line is not cutting with these 2 lines. So we cannot have the intersection point. So since the question is intersection, so the line had been drawn with the cuts. Clear? Next, question number 6, objective type questions. Objective type question. Everyone take your book. The question is a set of collinear points in the figure. A set of collinear points in the figure. Okay, collinear means what? We know that on a line 3 points. Okay, the first option, listen, A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. It's 2 lines, yes or no? So it is not a collinear. Next, A, F, C. A, F, C. This is line or not? Line. On a line 3 points we have. So the answer is option B. A, F, C. Collinear means 3 points, don't forget. Next, a set of non-collinear. Non-collinear means, okay, it may not be a line. Okay, it may not be lie on a line. So now the first one, A, F, C. A, F, C is collinear. They are asking not collinear. B, F, D. B, F, D. This is also collinear because on a line. Next, E, F, G. E, F, G also collinear because same line. A, D, C. A is here, D is here, C is here. So 2 lines are. Okay. So it is not a collinear. Option D. Answer is option D, A, D, C. Next, question number 8. A point of concurrent. Okay, a point of concurrency in the figure. A point of concurrency in the figure. Okay, concurrency means what did I say? Okay, through one point, 3 lines will be going. Okay, see here, 1, 2, 3. So which is the point? F. Answer is F. See this one, 1, 2, 3. So answer is option B, F. Clear everyone? Okay, exercise 4.3 is very easy. Only we saw about collinear, concurrent, concurrency, intersection, points of intersection, intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. Okay, clear? This exercise is over. Okay, we can go for the new chapter in the next class. Thank you, dear students.